Hi guys. Okay, I am doing a challenge that Thelma Hall asked me to participate in, and basically what you are supposed to do is to use things that you already have and not buy anything. So I have these index cards that I bought years ago, and I'm going to grab some out of here. Get some of those. Some of those. Oh, this might be a nice color to use too. Okay. So they are lined, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lines on the inside so you can't see them. And this is the proper size for a memorydex card, although some people, I believe, make them smaller. But I figure why cut, make extra cuts when I don't have to. So I'm just going to keep it at this size. Now, it's not a bad, when you put two sheets together, it's, thick. It's not too bad. I might reinforce the bottoms, but I'm not sure. But what I'm going to do now is glue these together, and I'll be gluing them on 3 sides to leave a pocket. Okay, I'm going to use the Aleene's Tacky Glue. Hang on a second, where did I put it? Right here. I want it to cover where the holes are going to be. Hopefully this doesn't warp it too much. There's a little pocket there, and I'm just going to do the rest of these and let them dry. So while those are drying, I'm going to cut out some images from some coloring books that I've taken apart, and I'm going to look for images that will fit onto the memorydex cards, and I'm going to color them in using the markers that I have. So I cut out, I've got 2 little parts here. I colored it in, and I'm just going to let it dry a little bit, and then I'll be back. Okay, this is dry, but it is too flimsy, so I am going to glue it down onto a scrap piece of cardstock paper just to give it a little bit more weight. Or maybe I may use some cardboard. I think I'm going to use some cardboard, and I'll show you what I'm doing next. Okay, I've taken the pieces and stuck them on a piece of cardboard. It's hard to do this little guy here, and I gotta fix this because it's not quite working. And what I'm gonna do is stick it down onto this piece here. Okay, I cut the holes by hand and they look really wonky. I couldn't find my hole punch anywhere, so I just cut them. They look really whacked out, but that's fine because I'm going to use this and it's going to cover them, and hopefully that won't interfere with them being able to slide onto a holder. I'm going to try to leave as much of the hole exposed as I can. So I'm going to glue this down. Okay, so I've stuck all the parts down, and I've included this, and now I'm gonna fix up over here. Maybe make it look like she's wearing a bracelet or something over on this arm, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more to it. Okay, sorry I didn't show the whole process, but I used the stick-on rhinestones and some stickers that came with the coloring book, and I think it looks cute. I left the holes intact so that they could be used, but the mistakes that I made are hidden. On the back, I put the character's name, and I put the little arrows as like a hint, you know, to look in the pocket. And I'm pretty happy with this one, and I'm going to make a few more. But thanks so much for watching. I think it's a great idea to use your stash. Thanks, Thelma, for inviting me to do this challenge with you, and thanks everyone for watching. I hope you have a great night.